How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon March 11th sales update. It's going to be a quick one. Uh, as you can see here today, 3 sales in the US, but there were a couple of things that I found interesting that happened today. Number one, low number of sales, but again, that's not the surprising part. The surprising part was, or the exciting part, that I finally got my first sales in Japan. So the Japanese marketplace, as you can see here, 2 sales, 2 of the same shirt, and I've been listing for, I would say, weeks, probably over a month, on the Japanese marketplace, and I just figured, you know what, I'm absolutely not going based on any actual information, like meaning the products that I'm listing. I'm just kind of guessing as I'm listing to all the other marketplaces. I'm saying, well, I think this would make sense when it's actually translated to Japan, and I mean my titles and descriptions and all that. But I actually don't know what's trendy. I actually don't know anything that would actually work. I can't even take a hint because I don't know anything about the culture. So the way that I've been listing products is I would list mostly the ones that, for example, are all image and design. So no words, and especially, for example, lengthy text. But the products that sold were, number one, and I'll share the category, was camping. And it was pretty much like an English joke, and it was all text. So now the questions that are going through my mind is like, am I doing it wrong? Am I listing all these things that I personally think would sell because it's a kind of like an evergreen design, or maybe there's like an English market in Japan, and why not list designs with English, not just words, but, for example, actual text or jokes. But again, that's just based on the first sales and only 2 sales. But anyways, I got my first sales in Japan. So total number of sales today, 6, as you can see here. And then the ratio is I think it's more than 50% are actually new items that I've listed since I tiered up to tier 20,000. So 64 sales for the last 7 days. Again, this is the US market. This month, 86, which is, more than half of my previous month. And then let's look at the overall sales, 95. And I actually had to increase the size of my screen recording because I wanted to include this in here. So as you can see here, my first 2 sales in Japan, and it's about 569 yen, and I did the conversion. It's about $5, and I guess this also made me think of something else when I was listing these products, and as I'm listing, when I actually decided to put the price into my Merch Titans spreadsheets, I did a conversion on Google, and I figured, okay, this is whatever, 2,000 yen for a t-shirt. It gives me a profit of $3-4. But then as I was doing the conversion today, I never took the conversion rate into consideration. So for example, what was $6 a month ago, and I'm just going like this, these are not accurate numbers, it's $5 today. So it's funny that those are the kinds of things that you don't actually consider until you look at the information a little closer. But anyways, overall, as you can see here, over probably $1,600 in sales, and we're looking at $300 plus in royalties, and it's the 11th. So, really feeling really good about this month. Today is surprisingly low, but again, it's just a one-off. It happens, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. Anyways, as always, thanks for watching, guys.